Hi guys, we're back, and when I was showing you that diagram with the rectangles, now what happens if you see a rectangle with the edges rounded, right? Well, edges of the rectangle are rounded to denote a weak entity, right? We already went over what that is. Now, a normal relationship is non-identifying, and we just call that a relationship. In other words, a normal relationship is when you have two entities that have distinct identifiers, and we use a dashed line between them. That's called a normal relationship. Right? And that's like I said, delineated with a dashed line. That's how you tell. Okay? And an archetype or instance pattern this occurs when the ID dependent entity, child entity, is the physical manifestation of an abstract or logical parent. So sort of like in Java, we have like classes, right? But then we have abstract classes. And these are like blueprints, and out of them we make object, like we don't implement it, we kind of just like lay out the blueprint, right? And we kind of have to get to objects. We use that blueprint to create instances, right? It's sort of like that, where the abstract or logical parent, right, it becomes, there becomes a manifestation of that as an ID-dependent child entity, and that's when we get this archetype instance pattern. So the concept's a little bit advanced, but we're just going to continue moving forward to more conceptual design material, and this is in regards to database design. So an EER, so an extended, right, entity relationship diagram, an extended, I believe, an extended ER pretty much equals an ER, right, plus subtype or supertype. So before, right, in our regular ER model, right, we were just dealing with the relationships and stuff, but we never recorded this subtype or supertype information. So now we're recording this information, right? So, and that's what we call an extended ER model. Now, subtype or supertype, right? Well, this is used to model entities that share some common properties. So, share some common properties. And that's about all we have for this tutorial, but I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.